Hi guys, thanks for coming back. In this video, I'm using Orange You Glad by Colourpop. Let's get started. I'm first applying my primer before I add my foundation. So I found out while using my foundation, the pump wouldn't work anymore. I was pretty bummed about it, but I just decided to use a stick instead. Using a damp beauty blender, I'm going to be applying a light layer of foundation. Awesome. Now that we've finished, we're going to go ahead and move on to the brows. I'm using the Dip Brow Pomade by Anastasia in the shade Ebony. For our first shade, I'm dipping into the color Zested, and it's this light matte pressed powder. For the next shade, I'm dipping into the shade Rise and Grind. It's a little bit more of a deeper coral color, and we're just going to apply this around our crease. For this look, I'm going to be doing a cut crease. So now using a concealer brush, I'm dipping into Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium. Then I'm taking the shade Tangerine Dreams. It's this orange shimmer. I'm going to spray my brush with MAC Fix Plus. This is going to help with brightening the color and allowing the shimmer to pop. Now moving on, I'm dipping into the shade Ya Peel Me into the outer corners of my eye. And for the last step, I'm going to be adding the shade Clementine. It's a pressed glitter, and it's actually my favorite shade from the palette. Moving on to contouring, I'm using the shade Mocha from the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks. To blend that out, I'm going to be using the shade Tan Toffee and Sculpt from the NYX Contour Palette. Here I'm using my NYX Wonder Sticks, and I'm using the highlighter. Using the NYX liquid liner, I'm just going to be creating a subtle wing. Be right back. I'm going to complete the look with some lashes. There you go. Wait, look at that. We're almost done. We're going to go ahead and apply some lip stuff. I'm using a NYX Lippy Pencil in the shade Natural. Then I'm using Anastasia's liquid lipstick in the shade Naked. We're going to go ahead and apply that all over our lips lightly, and be careful not to make too thick of a layer because we're going to go ahead and add another lipstick color. For our next color, we're going to be using the shade Ashton. It's a darker nude / mauve color. I'm going to be using a lip pencil brush, and I'm going to be first applying that color from the corners of my lips, and then slightly going to diffuse that to the center. Lovely. Now we're moving on to our highlighter. For my highlighter, I'm using Fenty Beauty's Diamond Bomb. We're gonna let the hair down because we finally finished this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you really liked my content, please go ahead and like and subscribe. And if you would like to see more of me, go ahead and follow my Instagram handle. I'll have it in the description box below. See you guys next time.